Hey y'all, it's Millie Patrick with 30A Cottages. I'm here this morning. This is Salty Dog in Seagrove. I'm so excited to show y'all this new home. It's brand new construction. It's absolutely fabulous. Let's go take a tour. All right, my first favorite thing that I love about Salty Dog is, like I said before, this is a brand new home, custom built. There are lots of high-end luxury finishes here, from the appliances to the lighting, the decor, these amazing custom beams. It's so bright and white and airy in here. I just love it. My second favorite thing about this home is true 30A living, being able to explore all that we have to offer here. You have your own private pool. There's a gate access directly out to Lakewood Drive to get to the beach access. And you also have a rare coastal dune lake here, Eastern Lake, with easy access here in the neighborhood where you can put in paddle boards or kayaks. This is just a great home here in Seagrove. My third favorite thing about Salty Dog is the location. It's right here in the heart of 30A, centrally located in Seagrove, so you can go in either direction and be anywhere that you want to. You're within bikeable distance to Old Florida Fish House, to coffee shop, the ice cream store, Clay Nursery. It's such a bikeable community, and this feels like a true neighborhood here. You're on a dead-end private street, so it's very quiet. I think this is such a great spot. Again, it's Millie Patrick with 30A Cottages. Please give us a call. We'd love to help you find your vacation here on 30A.